Hi, my loves. In this love reading, we will going to ask the spirits if may chance ba silang dalawa or may chance ba ang connection na to. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung may chance ba. Let's see the situation, the energy for this connection. And we will going to channel then the message from this person. So, ano kaya yung mensahe na gustong sabihin ng higher self nila? So, focus your energies dun sa person na to. Isipin nyo siyang mabuti. And we're going to start about the situation. My loves, I hear na meron ka pang hindi alam about this person. If ever nakikipag-communicate to sa'yo, I hear because this punish and payback, I hear na ito is out of revenge lang. So, maaaring nasaktan itong person na to, kaya gusto niyang makipag-communicate with other people. Pwede din, my loves, kung kayo ay may intimate or may deep understanding na, pwedeng gantihan ka nito through pakikipag-communicate with other people in social media. So, ang energy dito, my loves, is mayroong gumaganti, part ng pagganti, and hooking up sa social media. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, not hiding their profile or not showing their full personality. So, this person not showing their full personality. I hear na merong blossoming na dito, right now, in the present moment, blossoming about this connection. But, kagaya ng sinabi ko, one of you, maybe you or your person, is feeling or on their revenge right now. And dito, my loves, I also hear hooking up something. Maraming siyang access. Marami siyang connection to other people. Pwedeng iyon yung inililihim niya sa'yo. Okay. So, let's see more clarifier about this connection. Kasi ang tanong natin is kung may chance ba. Maaaring may chance din, my loves, pero maaaring marami kang kasabay. Maaaring itong kung kayo ay magka-chatmate, maaaring marami kang kasabay, marami kayo. Meron kasi siya ditong itinatago pa, not showing. Needing time, okay. So, it takes time. Progressing. Not, actually, soulmates. So, contract, tingnan natin to, ha. Paradise and happiness. Okay, I hear dito, my loves, nag-enjoy talaga. Nag-enjoy itong person na to sa social media, sa pagkikipag-chat. Pero dito, lumitaw dito yung soulmates or partnership. Okay, so mamaya titingnan natin kung ano yung tungkol sa partnership na to. But ito is progressing, so may pag-asa, my loves. I hear na may pag-asa dito, but careful because hindi lahat ay pinapakita ng taong to sa'yo. Or hindi lahat ng nakikita mo sa kanya ay totoo. So dito, meron ditong happiness, meron ditong playfulness, my loves. Maaari talagang they are indulged to hook up to someone in social media. And today, I hear na meron din talaga na soul contract itong connection na to. So, titingnan natin, i-confirm natin kung tungkol saan yung soul contract nito. Soul contract na ito. Okay, let's see. About this, retaliation or clock. So, kagaya din ang sinasabi ko, Di ba nabanggit ko kanina, meron ditong pwedeng part of their revenge. Kasi meron dito, time to heal. So, maaari, my loves, itong person mo is nandun, meron pa siyang galit sa kanyang heart about their past. And it needs time to heal. Maaaring ito na yung time para ma-heal niya yun or maka-move on na siya. Pwedeng ganon yun, my loves. Pwede nga, I hear talaga yung rebound, parang ganon. Parang rebound, my loves, na magta-turn into soul partner. Ayun, distraction. Yes, my loves, may chaos nga talaga dito sa person na to and kaya kailangan nito ng oras. So, huwag madaliin, my loves, itong connection na to dahil ang person mo is into their pain pa, into their revenge pa. So, meron pa siya talagang kailangan baguhin. So, huwag madaliin kasi nandito yung tower card natin. And I hear na meron ka nga confused pa yung taong to because of their pain. Okay? Because of their trauma na na-experience before. Kaya meron pa talagang galit sa heart niya, my loves. Pwedeng kaya ine-enjoy niya. And yes, I hear na, yes, sabi ko nga, confirmation with Nine of Wands na on battle pa talaga itong person mo. Kaya there needs time, my loves, with the cock. That's why they're still progressing. They need to learn from the past. That's why parang medyo guarded. Pwede ikaw din to, my loves, pero dito sa connection na to, merong isa sa inyo na guarded pa talaga. Guarded or wary. And sa ngayon is ine-enjoy lang niya ang mga bagay-bagay sa social media. Yes. My loves, maaaring hindi pa to nakaka-move on sa past because of this possession. Kaya ina-enjoy lang niya. Ina-enjoy lang niya kung anong meron sa social media. My loves, kung kayo ay nagkakilala through social media, my loves, maaaring because of this playfulness and paradise, ina-enjoy lang niya yon. Ina-enjoy niya ang kanyang social media. They are faking their profile. They hiding something because they still possessed or they still hold onto people or someone, my loves. Let's see message from this person. Will you choose me? Will you choose me? My loves, dito, maaaring ikaw ba ay marami kang option. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. But, will you choose me? Despite of this distraction and chaos, pwede din ito, my loves, hindi mo alam na mayroong pain inside. Yung person na to ay may dinadalang pain. Maaaring ito ay may nagsa-self-pity din, my loves. That's why they are asking you, will you choose me? I hope you'll wait for me. Okay. Di ba nga meron nga itong talagang wood sapatos, pero they're still thriving. I see na meron talagang pag-asa dito, my loves, because of this soul contract. Pero sa ngayon, wounded pa talaga yung person na to. They are still holding into the past or into someone na part ng kanyang past. I am coming, very resonated, my loves. Look at the cards. I hope you'll wait for me and I am coming. Trust. Okay, so I hear na pinapag-hold on ka ng person na to. Kumbaga, hindi pa siya ready. On progress pa lang right now yung connection na to. But may pag-asa, okay? May pag-asa and your person na to wants you to wait for them. For their healing, for their, sabihin nating, for their growth. Kasi right now, they still battle or meron silang ongoing battle. That's why hindi sila connect or makapag-concentrate about this. Pero they are coming. So, nandun talaga, my loves, yung connection. Okay, faith. I have faith and hope in our connection on us. So, this message is from their higher self. I know you have been brought into my life for a reason, and it's bigger than both us. I know that we are destined to be together and have faith on God that they will find the way for us. So yun, my loves, napaka-connected ng mga cards dito because dito the soulmates cards, may resilience dito, and they wants you to wait for them and have faith in this connection. So, this person wants you to have faith in this connection, pero nagpapahintay. Right now, hindi pa sila ready, pero papunta doon. Okay? Papunta doon ang inyong love connection. So, kung meron kang tanong, my loves, let's see. Teka. Let's see more na. Tingnan nga natin. Faith. Okay. So, right now, my loves, ito yung kailangan nilang, lumitaw dito. Pwede, my love, sa kanilang revenge, payback, or sa kanyang kailangan i-heal. Meron ditong gold digger. May gold digger dito, my loves, na lumitaw. So, yun yung, kaya wag mo madaliin yung taong to. Kailangan mag-heal muna ng taong to from their past. Open up your heart. It will help you attract more love. Okay. So, kung may tanong ka from spirits, tingnan natin kung anong kanilang sagot. Ay! Tingnan natin. Improving health. So, yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kaya hindi pa sa ngayon kailangan talagang mag-heal ng person na to. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. Ask your angels to have more faith about this connection. And, yes, focus on the abundance. Focus muna sa abundance, my loves, and the final energy for this love connection is very soon. Okay? So, mag-intay. Yon yung pinaka-message about this love connection. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay? So, ask your angels, siya ba talaga yung soulmate mo? Dito, paano ka ask your angels to have more faith about this connection. And right now, my loves, your person are, sabihin natin, parang hindi pa talaga kayo right now. Kasi your person are wounded, they are distracted, they need time to heal. Kaya wag madaliin ang connection na to. But very soon, ayan, it comes to you. Okay, it will come to you. So, focus sa abundance, my loves. Open up your heart para ma-manifest din siya. Dahil kailangan pa talaga nitong ng oras. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.